Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1980 Jeep J10 Stepside. Okay, first of all guys, I'm really sorry about the noise, as you can see, there are a lot of dogs barking. So I'm trying to, speak a little bit louder to overcome that noise. I do love dogs, but it is really hard for me to, uh, you know, record videos even with this noise, and it's around like 1 a.m now right now. Okay, with that said, so this is by Matchbox and this is from their main line, and this is new for 2026, and I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. So let's open it. So since we previously saw that particular Honda with that M logo, I really want to know whether this actually has that similar logo, because this is also a new casting for 2026. Okay, let me put this box aside. So here it is. So out of the box, the casting looks really, honestly, it looks really solid and well made. And the paint job is kind of very mild glittery red. That looks really good, but it does have some paint issues here. And so the front grill is chromed out. It has grill details, it is chromed out. It has headlight details, but it is not painted on. Again, it is chromed out. So it doesn't have any tail light detail either. Okay, they reduced everything right now for the same price point. So the entire chassis is chromed out. So the chassis is plastic, the body is fully metal. So this part here, this is plastic, and it does have some interior detailing to it. That looks really good, and it has wiper details here, rear view mirror details here. So even the door handle details here, that looks really good. Let me see if I can focus. Yeah, it does look really good. And I'm seriously bummed out. They reduced the quality of this castings, because Matchbox. I love Matchbox because it's closer to reality. The real cars. The scale of it, the accuracy of the scale, and the headlight and tail details and all these things. That's the whole reason I love Matchbox. But again, I don't know what to say now. Okay, the rims are nothing special. It is something every Matchbox has in this particular size, and it is actually a pretty heavy casting. So let's see how much this weighs. 38 grams, not bad. Okay, I accidentally knocked my light over. Fine. So let's roll this casting now. Okay, does roll really well. The rear wheel wobbles a little bit, but it still rolls really well. It does its job, and it has good amount of interior detailing as well. Okay, let's rate this casting. I'm taking 1 out of 10, so 9 out of 10, because again, it doesn't have any headlight or tail light either. I really don't care about this liveries on the side, and that is also not really good on this one. Maybe yours might not have this issue, but this thing, the headlight and tail light details, this is going to be same for you guys. So I'm taking 1 out of 10, so 9 out of 10 for this particular casting. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.